Oh, look at that.
So what's up? Atta.
Atta.
Atta, yeah.
Oh.
Calling Atta. He's nice one.
Yeah.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so today is the day. It's my birthday. It's December 9th. Yes, man. So, guys, what I'll be doing today is I'll be harvesting some sweet corn. Yes, man. So that's what's up for the morning. And also, we have okra pantry. So I'm gonna show you the okra. I'm gonna harvest some beans. I won't be showing you all the beans because I've already done that. You know, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check out previous video and you'll find the harvesting of the beans. Yeah, yes, man. So let's get into the video. All right, we're on a roll now. Let's go now. Moment of truth. So y'all can see the here. I don't know what you call this part of it, but it's all dried up. So we know say the corn is ready. We're just gonna break him. And the first one, we're gonna have a look inside to see what it looks like, yeah? Ooh, look at that. Are you guys seeing that? Beautiful. Yeah, man. Nice. Look at the size of this. See that? Big one. Very first harvest. Beautiful, man. The very first corn harvest. Yeah, man. So little Jamaica provide for me on my birthday, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So little Jamaica provide for me on my birthday, you know what I mean? Yes, man. So I go through and take the one I'm already. Should be ready. All dried up too. Yep. Rotted. Are you guys seeing this? Something actually went eating this section right here. Yeah, that's not good. I mean the corn is good, but yeah. One here quite small, but ready. And these ones, they're definitely corn. They grow right up at the top of the tree, but when they grow they don't close, you know, and for some reason the birds are not eating them. You know, I've seen some of you guys made comments saying maybe it's the bird, but for some reason the birds are not eating the corn, you know. So I don't know why they grow like that. They just grow straight up on the top and they don't grow in like the pod covering. They don't grow in like the pod covering. Yeah, they just I like that, you know what I mean? Like even this one, same thing with this, you know, they don't grow normal. Alright, how much me get for the tree? Me get 3 of them. There's more on it, but they're not ready yet. So we're gonna leave those ones. And then there's quite a few on this one. We have broke them off. That's one of them. Here comes another. Let's see what's around this side. Here's another one. Ooh, that one is big. That one here, my peeps. Giant. Yeah. I'm out here. Island boy calling me. Right. Alright, so this is 4 off of this tree so far. Plus we have 3 here, so that's a 7. Alright. Hey. Another one. Look at this one dried up to so. Yeah. You want to pee? Okay. Alright, Island wants to pee, guys. Give me 1 sec.
It's like water there.
It is water. Pee-pee, finish?
Yeah, pee-pee finished.
Okay. Alright, so Island just peed. Now we're back at it. Alright, so we get about what? Get about even about 6 off of this tree. Off of these ones actually. So yeah, that look like I the rest of them can go and mature and a bit more. Alright, so last set of trees now. Right here. Wow. Won't you look at that? Beautiful giants. Woo! Oh yeah. Big enough. Another one here. Guys, I'm really proud of little Jamaica, I swear. I have some more seeds. I'm gonna have to plant them soon. Whoa, look at that giant here. Oh, yo. Drop off this one. Okay. Nice, you know? This one big, but you know, fully dry up yet, so I'll leave him. That look like I eat. This. Wow. See if I miss anything. That look like I eating on my peeps. Whoa. Put them all together. We will count them off in a bit. Oh my lord. Basket can't empty, man. Look at that. That's beauty right there. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm sure I don't want to go on, you know. Alright, so here we have the okra ready. Now want them grow too big where them tough and you know, yeah, them not really eat so good that time. So may have 2 of them really mature, so we're gonna pick them. That's one of them. Have some young ones coming up still. So the 3 of them one good. This is the second one. So that is that. Beautiful okra. First harvest of the okra. Okra go here. We'll just put the corn out. The corn them right here. Corn, okra. Now I'm gonna pick some beans. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why the leaves are looking like this now though. Like some parts of the leaves are like drying up like this. If you guys know why they are looking like this, let me know. Because as I said, I'm still learning about my little farm and all that. learn about growing stuff. So as I go along, I learn things, and you guys also help teach me in the comments too. So I appreciate that. So this is we don't call it the second real harvest. And as you guys can see, the tree them just loaded non-stop. So we are going to reap all of these. You guys will see after. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so you all ready to see how much beans I've literally harvested. I am really shocked. I'm surprised of the amount. Look at this. Like, look at the amount, guys. Like, this to me seems like it's about the same amount from the last harvest or even more. So many. And look how much corn. How you guys seeing this? Plus my 2 okra them. No star, I feel good. No, so I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm really proud. Little Jamaica, I go on great. Just need to weed out this again. You know, cause them grass here grow back so fast. You know, as I clean it 1 week, the next week them just up again. So yeah. Even have some tomato here, them up on the ground though. Some of them up on the ground. Yeah. But more on show now. You guys remember the cane was right here at this spot. So I removed the cane, and now the cane is right over here. So this is the cane tree. I planted it like 5-6 days ago. So you can tell it's not gonna die. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take up the dirt and everything with it. So it's definitely gonna grow. I removed the cane because it needed space to breed, as you guys said as well. So I agree. So I move it over here where, you know, all the small crops can breed a bit better, and this can have its own space along with the Dasheen right there. I don't think it will be such a big problem, you know. Yeah, because I'm just trying to use this section here as the garden. I don't want to go out too much in the yard. So that is that, you know what I mean. So, you know, I'm improving every day and learning. So, you know, we can only get better at this, you know what I mean. Soursop tree, beautiful. Have some Dasheen here from the main Dasheen plant. These are the sucker. And as usual, you know, Dasheen supposed to get a lot of water. You know, that's what really keep them going. And summer just shipped in fully. You know what I mean? We're in December now. But we make sure some water them as much as we can, you know. So yeah, you know, because go to work in the morning, so sometimes I don't get to water them. But me give them as much water as I can do. Yeah man, so these are the Dasheen. Yesterday evening though, I was watering the plants because I was wondering why this leaf look like this. And I found about 4 worms all over on this leaf here. You know, so I killed them. And that's what it looks like. It's just this leaf they were eating. The rest of the leaves look good. Yeah, and a whole heap of sucker. Yeah, and been I tell my Sri Lankan brethren to come get Dasheen sucker and even banana sucker, because him say him want, and he not reach as yet, but I wait for him same way. Yeah man. But yeah, feel like I go give away a few of them, yeah. Yeah, because this is a lot. Plus we have more coming. More and plant back a few more corn and also bean before, you know, them all, you know, dried up and thing. Yeah man, so that is that. Sun is really hot, so I can't really do much at the moment. But yeah, that's my birthday harvest. Yeah, beautiful, eh? Yes man. Wow guys, also my wife surprised me this morning with some birthday gifts.
That we're gonna go buy Dad a birthday present. His birthday's coming up, guys, so just want to say to you, babes, happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
And this is yours.
Yep.
And yeah, So check out my wife's channel. It's called Latina Chills. Link will be down in the description to check out her video. Because I know for a fact this video won't be dropping on my birthday. So yeah, December 9th. Sagittarius. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be counting how many corns I've actually reaped. You know, of my first produce. Guess how many? Because I just roughly put them in, so I don't know how many. So we're gonna count them and see how much, yeah? 14. There you have it, guys. 14 corn. First produce. Yeah, man, you have some big one, you have some small one. Beautiful. I just seen something just now. See if I can find it. Oh, there it is. You guys see that? That's the worm that I saw on the Dasheen leaf that was eating it. Yeah, them eat down the leaves. Them. So I have to get rid of them. Oh, that feels weird. Yeah. So I have to get rid of them, my peeps. Beautiful. Oh, little garden. You know, but you have to buy them at the shop. Yeah, man, so you know, birthday for me personally, and that's something with me really celebrate. You know, it's just another day to remind me that I'm getting older. You know what I mean? Yeah, but even supervisor from work was like, oh, we should all go out this weekend because her birthday was on Monday. You know what I mean? And they were all like, we should go out with along with some other co-workers. We should go to the, you know, go to the, what you call it, the pub. There's a band that's playing tonight apparently, but I don't know if I'll be going. I don't know. To be honest, guys, I don't like party. I'm probably one of the most boring human on the face of this earth. Because I don't smoke, I don't drink. I'm not too go party, but I love stage show. You know what I mean? I don't know, I just love stage show. Yeah. But that is that. Right now I have to make up my face because to get the best lighting, yeah, I have to face the sun. Otherwise, not a good lighting. You understand? But yeah, so right now I'm there. Just water the plants and things. And Sri Lankan, well, I'm bridging from Sri Lanka. Is me? I come link me now. Me tell me say, oh, me have piece of birthday cake and some corn, you know, and a few beans. So you know, we can't eat off everything by ourselves. So you know, we share on it. We share. Yes, man. So send the pan way forward. Yes, man, and show him the garden because I never actually see it before. Only on video. Is it? I wanna really get to link up that often anyway. It's a cake, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is my friend from Sri Lanka, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, man. This is for you as well.
Thank you
This
very
is
much.
the corn from the garden.
Wow.
Also the beans.
Awesome.
Nice.
Wow, nice chili.
Yeah.
It's hot, no?
Yeah. They're not that hot, but yeah.
I have in the lone one.
Yeah.
Lone grade. This bell pepper.
Yeah, we call it sweet pepper in Jamaica. You guys call it bell
Pepper, yeah.
Yeah.
They call it bell
Yeah,
pepper.
I think they call it also that.
Calling it's a different name.
Oh, okay.
They not saying the bell pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you guys have seen him on my channel before. We did a fishing video. So you guys can also check out his channel. What's the channel called again? Fly to Aussie?
Fly to Aussie, yeah.
Yeah. So I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can check him out. Yeah.
That is a Taro?
Yeah, this is a Taro. We call it Dasheen in Jamaica.
Dasheen.
Dasheen.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the suckers from the main one. And these are the sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah, so this is the ones I'll be giving you whenever you're ready.
Okay.
From here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
No worries. And this is the plantain tree. Yeah. This one you probably, I don't know if you know it, but
yeah.
we call it soursop in Jamaica.
Soursop, yeah.
Yeah,
we calling soursop Atta.
Atta.
Ata, yeah.
Oh.
We calling Ata. It's nice one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice.
How you eat in the
We make
Yes.
juice with it or we eat it natural.
same like that?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we put it in the juice.
Yeah.
In the juice.
Yeah.
And put some ice cream.
Yeah.
And it's
Oh.
very beautiful. Yeah.
Mad.
Sour soup. It's and good healthy food.
Yeah, it's definitely
Yeah.
also good for cancer too. Island,
Yeah.
don't wet yourself, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Okra.
Okra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My garden also have okra.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
growing good.
Going good in only this much now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's the bigger ones.
Wow.
That's the main tree that I planted and it just
corn.
yeah.
That is a sweet corn. No.
Yeah, this is where I got the corns from, but I'm surprised like these ones grow up the top. I don't understand it. Yeah, but yeah. This one just grow up the top and it grows
Normally
open.
it's coming like that, no?
Yeah, yeah. So these are almost ready to, as you
What
can
is
see,
that?
it's trying to. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a taro.
Taro.
Yeah, this is the main tree.
In same tree have in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
That one we call Kiriala, but it's a different kind
Oh,
kind
okay.
of taro.
Yeah.
Not the taro in
Yeah.
similar
Oh, okay.
kind of same like this tree.
Yeah, because we have another one we call cocoa, which it's very similar to this as well. Yeah, but so it could be that as well too.
I have some manioc.
Manioc.
Yeah, I can give for you.
Island?
But
Yeah, but these are the beans that I reap from. So
I saw the beans video.
yeah,
That's really nice.
yeah, for real.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to plant some more before these ones die.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is a chili.
yeah, the same kind that was over there. Yeah, the tomatoes was just spreading too much, so I had to cut some of them. So yeah,
You have on the extra tomato. Get the tomato.
Yeah.
Pick the tomato.
Yeah.
And cut in half
yeah,
and put the salt.
yeah,
Little bit salt
yeah.
and dry
Oh, okay.
sun dried tomato.
Yeah,
Then you can put the olive oil little bit
yeah,
and put a jar
yeah.
and can keep a nice
Oh, okay.
sun dried tomato.
Yeah, that's good. You can pick a few and try.
Okay.
Yeah, because
one?
there's plenty.
Sun.
Yeah, you can grab another one.
Yeah. No, when I working in the Maldives,
Yeah,
same like chili have, they calling the Maldives chili.
yeah.
They lot of use this chili.
Okay.
The very spicy.
Yeah,
I think the similar. I think.
yeah,
Yeah. That one is very hot.
yeah. Can try it and tell me.
Thank you very much, Taro.
No worries, bro. You're welcome.
Wish you happy birthday.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Hey, come.
Yeah.
Look how you wet yourself. Eh?
What you doing?
Come.
Yeah, man. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and give thanks for watching. Yes, man. Blessings all the time. It's your island boy, Africa. I'm out. Blessings. Getting the thumbnail shot. What we have to do to get that thumbnail shot, you know? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kinda drop. Sun is bright.